If you've ever watched a drone video and thought, that looks incredible, but I could never fly like that, then I need you to stay with me, because DJI might be about to change the entire drone game again. And this time, it's not just another Mavic. It's not just another Mini. It's something that sounds like it was designed in a secret lab by people who are obsessed with making reality look unreal. The name that's suddenly lighting up the internet is DJI Avata 360. And if the leaks are accurate, this could become one of DJI's most disruptive drones ever, because it's not just an FPV drone, it's not just a 360 camera. It's a combination of both. And that combo is dangerous. In the best way possible. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Now, before you scroll away thinking this is just another rumor video, let me be clear, we're not talking about some random concept. Leaked images and credible reporting are pointing to something very real. A DJI drone that appears to carry a dual-lens 360 camera module, possibly capable of rotating, meaning it can shoot true 360 footage but also switch into a forward-facing mode like a standard FPV drone. And if DJI pulls this off, it's going to hit creators, travelers, YouTubers, filmmakers, sports content pages, and even casual drone users like a shockwave. Because suddenly, you don't have to fly perfectly to get perfect footage. You don't have to aim the camera perfectly. You don't have to risk crashing while trying to frame the shot. You just fly, and the camera captures everything. Then later, you choose the angle. That's the 360 advantage. And if you merge that with FPV flight, you get content that looks like it came from a Hollywood drone pilot, even if you're a beginner. And here's why this matters so much right now. The drone world has reached a turning point. For years, drone companies fought on the same battlefield. Flight time, camera resolution, transmission range, obstacle avoidance, and stability. But now, those things are almost expected. Almost every major drone is good enough for normal users. So what's the next step? The next step is not just improving drones. It's changing what drone footage even looks like. And that's exactly why DJI Avata 360 is such a big deal. To understand the Avata 360, we have to talk about what DJI already has. DJI Avata 2 is one of the most popular modern FPV drones because it gives you that immersive flying experience without forcing you to build and tune a custom FPV rig. It's fast, it's responsive, it's fun, and it's made for adrenaline. DJI even markets it as an immersive FPV experience with strong safety features and improved imaging. But the Avata line still has a limitation. It's still traditional camera capture. You have to aim the drone. You have to plan your route. You have to be smooth. And if you mess up the angle, your footage is ruined. Now imagine taking the Avata concept, compact, protected frame, FPV fun, and combining it with the #1 cheat code in modern content creation, 360 video. When you shoot 360, you don't shoot at an angle. You shoot the entire world. That means you can fly aggressively, fly dangerously close to objects, fly through gaps, fly fast, and later reframe the footage into perfect cinematic angles. This is why Insta360 became such a monster brand in action cameras. The ability to fix the shot later is addictive. And that's where the Avata